you believe me? I'm not a liar. I'll sing it from the choirs. Why won't you notice?
Hi everyone, welcome back. My sweet angels, I'm close to you. It's me, Jenny. I just returned home from a little trip in Connecticut, which was literally the best thing ever. Only an hour and a half drive from the city also, which I didn't realize that Connecticut really is so close to New York City. So that was really nice. It was just really beautiful. Went on walks outside, the fresh, crisp air. But yeah, we just drove back. I drove, which was fun, stressful, and good, but made it home safe. I thought I'd start filming what I eat in a day video because I have some food in my fridge that needs to get eaten. We're gonna scrap together some food items and it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna do lunch, dinner, and then tomorrow I'll show you breakfast because, you know, you don't need to know exactly what I eat in a day, but I will show you some meals that I like to eat. This tuna I found at the store in Connecticut, the grocery store. Fish-free tuna, oil and herbs. I don't know, it looked kind of good. So I'm gonna try that with maybe like avocado toast. Let's throw together some food.
I'll ask you questions about what you're doing. That'd be enough. Oh yeah. Alright. And I promise you, this is not the end. Why won't you notice? Won't you believe me? I'm not a liar.
I'm gonna try this. I have a feeling that honestly, like, just make this with chickpeas and don't buy the expensive like tuna. I only bought it because I was away and it seemed like an easy, like, proteiny lunch I could make for myself, and I didn't end up making it. Okay. It kind of tastes like tuna, but just mashing up chickpeas instead and making like a chickpea salad sandwich would hit the spot in the same way. I needed some real food right now. I'm also having the strongest urge to watch The Parent Trap. All I can think about is how bad I want to watch The Parent Trap, which I think I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna clean up my house, I'm gonna put my clothes away, I'm gonna take a shower. Is very, very extraordinary. Eat. This is already making me very happy. Also guys, I got my gel nail kit. I don't know if I actually mentioned this, but I really have wanted to like have my nails grow out, and I used to really like doing my gel nails at home like years and years ago. And I found this one, it's called the Green, it's from the Manicurist. I think it's a European company. It's called Green Flash, and all of their gel nails are like eco-friendly, more so than like other gel nails. So I thought that's cool, and it seems like it worked pretty well, so. Oh, it's saucy in here. Okay guys, time for dinner. Just finishing up Parent Trap. so good, and such great timing with coming back from a trip. I have Green Chef in my fridge. This video is sponsored by Green Chef. I work with them a lot. They're one of my favorite people to work with. I love their meals. I think they really come in handy. They're USDA certified organic company. They have their meal kit delivery service that caters to a bunch of different diets like paleo, keto, vegetarian, vegan. I always get the vegan boxes, especially in a moment like this, like coming home, I'm tired. I don't feel like going to the grocery store and planning out a meal. I also just don't really feel like ordering in. It just makes it really easy to come up with a super delicious meal right at home. Their sauces are always so good, and they just like bring the whole meal together and taste so good and develop in flavor. And it's a really good way to transition to a diet that you're looking to try out, perhaps like vegetarian and vegan. I know a lot of people are considering incorporating more meals even into like your normal diet per week, and I think it makes it super easy to make a meal that you will really enjoy. So if you want to check them out, go to greenchef.us/90 where I lived and use the code 90 where I lived to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box.
This instance is a telling story.
So I'm gonna make dinner.
Kitchen messes, high confession, glass-eyed boys crying out to those who are still awake and ready for the consequences of their actions. This is for the peanut lovers, sarcastic imbeciles of the night. Extroverted fashionista cats whose Play-Doh minds might even invade the darkest of skies. And as the city warms to a pastel blue, even the bus seat patterns look attractive in their summery hue.
Making breakfast. I have so much fruit from the trip, so I think I'm gonna do a coconut yogurt bowl because I need to start eating this. Leftover fruit, which actually sounds really good. I was eating much more decadent foods than I do like on a consistent basis. Perhaps? I don't know. Something about me feels like I need to get a little fruit in my system. And maybe some cereal, fruit, and yogurt. That's a classic breakfast, but you cannot go wrong. Yeah.
We used to be friends. We used to be friends. Stop playing with my emotions. Sweat sitting on a serpent.
Okay guys, I'm just sitting, working at my computer, editing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. Love making these. Let me know if you try any of them. Let me know if you've tried Green Chef. Again, if you want to check them out, you can go to greenchef.us/90 where I live and use the code 90 where I live to get $90 off and free shipping on your first box. And I will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't yet.